great. Pop in the lamp about 60 seconds. And then this one, we're gonna do some 3D on this one. All right, let's see some 3D on this one. First, before we move on to these 3 colors, okay? I'm gonna use some soft white. Or a nude pink. I'm gonna do these 2 colors, the nude and the green for 3D brush, for 3D flowers. I'm gonna have my 3D flowers brush, and it's doors, one with silicone, and the other ones, the other end is the 3D brush. So I'm using that side of the brush. This is so beautiful. It's hard to see, you have to see it in person though. I don't know how you can see it really.